We will continue with the scene that we got end up in the previous chapter. We no longer need of that temporary, generated rig. I will use the meta rig that has been previously created. We are going to fit it to the exoskeleton. Select the template and mapping accordingly as we learned before. We already know that exoskeleton has 2 more additional spine bones. In that case you have to make sure that spine bones would be remapped correctly. I will illustrate how it should be mapped in the proper way. So we could use the option that helps to resolve the creation process of missing bones automatically. The metarig links would be like, spine 001 to spine 02, spine 002 to spine 04 and spine 003 to spine 05. That way 2 spine bones would be added by subdividing first and second spine bones of the metarig. Let's say if there would be a third additional bone that you would need to add, then spine .003 should be linked to spine _06 for example. Now, let's change the mapping for the spine. Of course, you could subdivide spine bones manually. In that case you should edit the template and add missing bones, then make links in a logical sense. But I want to demonstrate how it can be done by using the option in the fit operation. Once the remapping is done, save it with the given name. Now we can fit the armature. Select the target skeleton, select properties the reorient Y and the recalculate roll. As for rigify options, make 3 segments for the limbs, X rotation axis, except for the arm, keep it automatic. And finally, in the edit armature section, we got to the add spine bones property. Set it to 2, which is the reasons of creation this chapter, to show when it can be used. Select to remove the redundant bones and that's it. Lastly, I will shrink and extend some bones to match the size of the corresponding body parts. And place the heel bones for the pivot of the foot control. It will make the proper size of the control bones and control rig will be generated. The metarig armature is ready. Let's save it so we could reuse it if ever needed. In the Operations menu, go to Metarigs, Save Metarig. Next is to generate the rig. Clear out the previous transformation. Import any animation asset of the echo. In my case, it's a jog animation. Limit the playback range. I'll rename the animated armature and place in the new collection. Rename the current action with the help of the action editor. Then scale the animated armature by special operator that is located in Operations menu. As a result, we got 2 actions, one is for skeleton bones and second is for the root transformation. That can be found in the parent empty. Let's apply the new jog action to the echo armature. I'll switch to the frame dropping for the real-time playback. In order to constrain the control rig to the source skeleton, we have to make some adjustments in the Rigify FK controls template. Only the tweak category required for changes. Simply remap to those two additional spine bones like so. Save the new mapping. Now we can constrain the skeleton. Make a complex one with the uniform scale and the echo armature as a target. Then bake the animation. Now select the echo skeleton and constrain it to the control rig with the appropriate template mapping. Okay, finally we can edit or add animations that could be exported after. Should I remind you that it is the moment and you could save the scene file? Now I'll use my creative potential and tinker with the jog animation. You can skip it and seek fast forward till I finish. Once I got happy with the result, I'll select the Echo Armature and stash the current jog action as a backup. Then I'll make a new one, so I could bake the edited animation in this action. Navigate to Operations menu and use the Bake animation. Select the Overwrite Current Action. Select the parent empty and apply the root transform action in order to transfer the root motion. Beautiful. Our animation is complete. I don't see any reason why shouldn't I export this piece of art. I'm not going to call this part as a bonus. For the closing words, I wish you to realize your ideas. And I hope that this course will help to get you yet one step closer in order to achieve your dreams.